Hello? You just said to me that you tae in your mouth. That you? No, I'm not the Mrs. Tae. There's another lady walking it. I see it to your shop. What? Why the tae? But this is a airwax. That's not the earwax. That's tae pre. So, I'm Mrs. Tae. I joke you. What? You came back? Why? I like to see it because I'm Mrs. Mommy's Takla. Huh? Yeah. Okay, so just eat that. Just eat it. And then get the tae gamot. And I will use that every day. When I die, I can use it too. Sarap? Masarap tae, no, yun? Yung airwax ko na tae. Mabulok yan. Kahit na. Pero masarap. Yan. Bakit? Pupunas mo yung air jumps ko? Lagyan ko ng tae. Sige. Ang daming tae. Ang daming tae. Brown. Okay na po. Wala nang takla. Hindi, meron pa tae. Tae, meron pa. Okay na. Sige, men. Ay, sige, miss. Oh, thank you. Oh, ito yung tae medicine mo. Thank you. Pause mo na.